What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to do a mini haul. It's going to be a mini nykaa haul. I have bought some, we can say, essential for me at least, and yeah, some fun things. So it's going to be a very mini haul. I don't have a lot of stuff, and so let's just quickly begin with the haul. Before getting into the video, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, hair care, anything related to beauty you will find out in this channel. And I create content around and affordable beauty. So if that interests you, please consider subscribing, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families. Now without further ado, let's get started. So I don't have a lot, so let's just quickly open this small box. And I really appreciate that previously I used to get so many parcels. Now it's just a parcel, so it's a good thing. Yeah, recently from Purple also I got everything in one parcel, and this time also I got everything in one mail, so I'm really happy about that. So oh yeah, so first thing I got is more Swiss Beauty, because I have to meet that shipping charges. So yeah, I was like what to add, and I was like, let's just add a summer color. And oh, it's very pretty. I was thinking about which shade to try next, and I was like, let's just try oranges, because I literally have nothing, and it's a very pastel orange, and it is very pretty, and I love pastels, and as you can see I love pastels. So yeah, I thought of, let's just add this. And yeah, so here is the bill. I will tell you. So this Swiss Beauty stunning nail lacquer cost me just 94 rupees, and it is very stunning. I'm so impressed by these, and yeah, whenever I'm like what to do to meet the shipment charges, I'm like, let's just throw these. And these are, oh my god, this is a very popping summer appropriate. Now that summer are approaching, I'm buying everything summer appropriate. Look at the combination. So yeah, you can see the difference of shade. This is a very pastel, and this is a very popping bright, and yeah, I think I will really love this. So the shades, so this is Craze Coral still. So this is that, we can say, pastel orange, and yeah, it's a really pretty coral shade. And this is Sun Kissed, so really true to its name. Yeah, so as summer are approaching, I will really enjoy this, I know for sure. And I have another one. So this I got broken that time, so I have this new nail from Purple. So this is the NY Bay Cream nail paint, and it is a stunning pastel. First of all, this is the pastel which is the situation going on, and it is very opaque. And I am loving the it's you have to build it for 2 coats, but I think the shade is stunning, and the formula is quite good. And longevity wise, I will definitely tell you. And this is also Swiss Beauty, that stunning nail lacquer only. So yeah, I'm really loving all these bright shades, especially in camera they look stunning. And yeah, I think it suits my complexion also. So next is, oh yeah, this is my essential. This is really, I was desperate really without this I cannot live without, because I have to constantly change nail paint. And if my even one a little bit of chipness, and I want to change my nail paint, I don't like that. So yeah, this is very important, and this is very therapeutic to me, to just remove nail paint, watch some TV, and just apply a new fresh nail paint. That is very therapeutic to me. And yeah, it is very essential. This was over, and I run to grab something from local store. I got the Blue Heaven one, and it is okay, but it's not good like this. So it goes for the price, but I think I will again and again repurchase the color bar one. And as I was not able to buy the color bar one from a local shop, I thought of placing a nykaa order. And yeah, that's why we are here. So that's why you are seeing this haul in the first place. So okay, next is my hair mask, and I cannot live without my hair mask. And yeah, so yeah, I was running out of it, and a little bit was left, and I used it today. And yeah, we have this beautiful situation. I'm really happy with my hairs. So yeah, to maintain such curly hairs, you need something like this in your routine. I think at least twice in a month. I use it quite a lot, because I have to be on camera, and I want my all hairs to be tamed, no flyaways. So This is the Biotique argan oil, this is their hair mask from argan oil from Morocco hair mask. Okay, so for frizz-free and stronger hairs, and I do agree this really helps in taming down all the frizz and whatnot. So I really needed it. So yeah, that's why. And yeah, we can say 4 to maximum 5 wash if you have these medium light hair. Like I have medium hair, so you can say it's not short but it's not long. So yeah, it's good, and I have to say you don't need spas and all that jazz if you can maintain your hairs by yourself. And I think a hair mask, if you want, I can do a whole hair care routine. I'm thinking about doing that, but this really helps. So yeah, and again, to meet the shipment charges, basically I needed the hair mask and the nail paint remover. And yeah, this whole we can say the essential were these two. And yeah, I think this is a summer essential. So this is the first time I'm going to try this. So as you guys know, I have lost my all tan, and I have to literally adapt to lighter foundation. I have we can say because of COVID and just staying at home, I have lost all of tan. So in summers I know I will get my tan back, and we need to be tan. So we are preparing for summers. So I thought of buying this. So this is the Biotique Papaya Revitalizing Tan Removal Scrub for all skin types. So yeah, I'm looking forward. I bought the smallest tube, you guys, because everybody and their mother raves about it, but I want to check myself that this is any good or something. Yeah, so I have to check myself, and I will give you definitely my review. And literally I have seen so many positives about this. So let's just see, this can remove my tan in the summers when I will get tan. So, and I think I'm looking like I have some tan because of the beautiful blush and bronzer. I have to say, it's okay, I'm just drooling over this blush. I'm going to shoot this blush review after this video. So yeah, this was a mini haul. I have not shopped like crazy as I always, because I'm thinking about just controlling myself from purchasing so many things, because if I buy everything, I'm not able to even review everything. So I have to review so many makeup new launches. And yeah, I think I'm good to go. I have to keep testing out them. So yeah, and I think I will control my makeup purchases, then only I will be able to properly give you a review about the new makeup that I got. So that's that. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.